If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we're gonna go to settings. Next in the settings choose Personalize, and then we can tap on the lock screen over here in order to find my photos option. If you do this for the first time, we need to grant access to all photos that we have on our device so that we can choose our photo. So let's say I'm gonna pick photos folder over here, and let's say I'm gonna choose this photo here. Now of course we cannot actually do anything in regard of zooming, but we can tap here, I suppose, yeah, and now we can zoom in and zoom out. Then we can press this check over here in order to apply the changes. We have some animation options, stylize options, and others where we can apply the blur and the brightness. I'm just gonna press set over here. We can choose to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna choose for both. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.